Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to the tunnel car wash in Corbin. Suds Express Car Wash. Hey Jonas, can you unlock the window?
Negative.
So we went to Mr. Daddy's and I got one of these. I had a whole bunch of tickets, but my sister got some. So we're gonna go in the car wash here in a minute. You can skip this video to I'm just gonna leave in the description. Oh no, I hope this is not copyrighted music. Mom, what we gotta get? Are we gonna get the express wash?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave the camera down so you won't see our card. Just making sure.
Hard to watch your camera.
I know. I'm putting it down. This looks like a gore, this looks like a gore thing.
I don't have a
Because
coupon.
it looks like a sparkly thing. Please. So what did you get, Jonas? Yep.
Watch out, I'm gonna have to roll you up there, house cat.
Jonas, what did you get?
A car wash.
What did you get?
A car wash?
Mom, what did he get?
Is everything wash?
Jonas,
Wash is everything.
Jonas, really, what did you get?
Everything wash.
Jonas, really,
It's everything wash.
what did you get?
Let me see.
It's the everything wash, Carter. It says everything.
Mom, what did he get?
Everything. That's what it says.
Everything.
See a light blinking? It says everything.
Oh,
Yeah.
everything. The
What your
14,
sister wants to see.
the $14 one.
Yeah.
Wow. So he got the everything. He got the $14.
Move so your sister can see. I don't even think she cares about it, little. Oh, look.
Ooh. I'm gonna run the windows down.
Nope.
You can't do that.
I know.
The lights, Kinsley.
Ooh, pretty.
Yep. The car wash.
Ooh.
Car wash. Say car wash.
Here's the big brush.
Up here. Say pretty.
Blue.
Look, Kinsley.
Blue. That was short. That was short. But we're gonna do some other stuff.
I will.
How much do you give them? 2?
2, yeah.
And we're gonna get the dry off. Are we gonna use the
What? You give it to him now or when he's done?
When it's done, because I don't want to roll down the windows.
So guys, I see you in the next video. Bye.